Hello, learners, and welcome back to the English Way. In this video, you'll watch a simple morning conversation at a bus stop. After that, I'll explain the useful English phrases from the conversation. So, let's get started.
Good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Pretty good. A little sleepy, though.
Yeah, same here. Mornings are tough.
Tell me about it. I had to wake up really early today.
Oh, yeah? What time did you get up?
Around 6. I'm not a morning person.
I hear you. I usually need at least 1 cup of coffee to feel human.
Same. No coffee, no energy. Do you know if the bus is on time today?
I checked the app earlier. It says it should be here in 5 minutes.
That's good. Sometimes it's late, especially on Mondays.
Yeah, traffic can be pretty bad in the morning.
True. Everyone's rushing to work.
At least the weather's nice today.
Yeah, it's not too cold. Yesterday was freezing.
I know. I almost didn't want to leave the house.
Same here. Getting out of bed was the hardest part.
So, are you heading to work?
Yeah, I work at a marketing company downtown.
Nice. How long does it take you to get there?
About 40 minutes if the traffic isn't bad.
That's not too bad. My office is about an hour away.
Wow, that's a long commute.
Yeah, but I use the time to listen to podcasts or music.
Do you usually eat breakfast before work?
Sometimes. If I'm in a hurry, I just grab a coffee.
Same. I usually eat something small like a banana.
That's healthy. I should probably do that too.
Oh, I think that's our bus.
Yeah, looks like it.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day at work.
Thanks, you too.
Take care.
Great job, listeners. Now, let's break down some useful English phrases you heard in the conversation. First phrase is, "How's it going?" It is a very common and casual way to say, "How are you?" in American English. When someone asks, "Well, how's it going?" you can say, "Well, it's going well." Pretty good. Pretty good means better than okay, but not perfect. Let's look at an example. If someone asks, "How was your day?" you can say, "Pretty good. I'm not a morning person." When someone says, "I'm not a morning person," it means they don't feel energetic or happy in the morning. Here's an example. "I'm not a morning person. I need coffee first." I hear you. I hear you does not mean you are only listening. It means, I understand how you feel. Here's an example. If someone mentions, "This job is stressful," you can respond with, "I hear you." Traffic can be pretty bad. This phrase is used to say that traffic is often heavy or slow, especially at busy times. Example sentence. Traffic can be pretty bad during rush hour. Heading to work. Heading to work means you are going to work right now. Example sentence. I'm heading to work. See you later. That's not too bad. That's not too bad means something is acceptable or okay. Let's say 40 minutes isn't too bad. Grab a coffee. Grab a coffee means to get a coffee quickly, usually when you are busy. Let's say, let's grab a coffee before work. Now try this. Imagine you're at a bus stop. What would you say to start a conversation? Practice these phrases out loud. That's how real English becomes easy. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you in the next episode. Have a great day.